To set up an Absa Bank Forex booking, start by understanding what a Forex booking is. It is a facility that allows you to book a foreign exchange transaction at a predetermined rate for a future date. This can help you manage your foreign exchange risk and budget more effectively. First, you need to have an Absa Bank account and be registered for online banking. If you are not registered, you can do so by visiting the Absa Bank website and following the registration process. Once you have logged into your online banking profile, navigate to the Forex section. Here you will find the option to book a Forex transaction. Select this option and choose the currency you want to buy or sell. Next, enter the amount you want to transact and the date you want to settle the transaction. You will then be given a quote for the transaction, which includes the exchange rate and any applicable fees. Review the quote carefully to ensure it meets your requirements. If you are satisfied with the quote, you can proceed to book the transaction. You will receive a confirmation of the booking, which will include the details of the transaction, including the exchange rate, amount, and settlement date. It is essential to note that the exchange rate may fluctuate between the time you book the transaction and the time it is settled. However, with a Forex booking, you are protected from these fluctuations, as the exchange rate is fixed at the time of booking. To manage your Forex bookings, you can use the Absa Bank online banking platform to view and manage your bookings. You can also use the platform to cancel or amend a booking, although this may be subject to certain conditions and fees. In terms of best practices, it is crucial to carefully review the terms and conditions of the Forex booking before proceeding. You should also ensure that you understand the exchange rate and any applicable fees, as these can affect the overall cost of the transaction. Additionally, it is recommended that you have a clear understanding of your foreign exchange requirements and budget before booking a Forex transaction. This will help you to make informed decisions and avoid any potential risks associated with foreign exchange transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively set up an Absa Bank Forex booking and manage your foreign exchange risk. This can help you to budget more effectively and make informed decisions about your foreign exchange transactions.